How to turn off green dot on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. The green dot may be because any of the apps may be using your voice. So if it's recording, you can simply go to recorder and turn off your recording and you'll find green dot disappear. What you can also do is go to settings, scroll down, click on apps and notifications. After you click on apps and notifications, click on app info. Select any app that may be using the voice. Here, click on permissions. In permissions, if microphone is allowed, make sure it's don't allow. After you press on don't allow, the green dot will disappear. And this is how to turn off green dot on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.